So I am trying to remove this glass to clean this Samsung refrigerator, and I looked at like 5 tutorials and they are not working. They said to take a screwdriver and they said to push down on this clip here on both sides simultaneously, and I am doing that, and it is not working. I've been going at this for about 30 minutes now, 20 to 30 minutes. Trying. I push them both down, lift, and the only thing that's lifting is the whole thing, and I only want this part out so I can clean this glass. So let's try again. I've tried my fingers already, and it is not. I can't get it with my fingers either. So I don't know if this was a good investment or not. We're gonna keep trying. Okay. Even if I just try doing one side, what does this do? Lock and unlock? Well, that's just for the water filter. Okay. So let's just try this side and see what happens. I don't even see it lifting, even if I do the other side. Boy. Gosh. Oops, and I broke it. Look at that. Terrible. Let me know if you have another way to remove these things, because I can't get this and I don't want to leave my fridge glass dirty. Okay.